Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Indian Grey Volkswagen Golf R. Now of course this is a 2 litre TSI with around 300 brake horsepower. You get front parking sensors, full LED headlights. You then get these brilliant 19-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming around to the rear now, we've also got rear parking sensors as well. You've got the quad exhaust tips included as well, and coming inside we've then got your 60/40 split folding rear seats which fold flat with the boot floor. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have full black cloth interior with Alcantara accents in the rear with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got keyless entry and start, electric windows all round. Inside you've got your electric handbrake with auto hold, drive select, stop start off, traction control off, and then your parking sensors off. We've then got your 4Motion gearbox in the middle, or your DSG. You've then got dual climate control with 2 front heated seats. And then coming up to the infotainment display just here. As you can see, we've got your various radio bands. We've then also got your various media sources. Then of course we have Bluetooth hands-free, and then you have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto just in the middle there. Over to the steering wheel now, you have your adaptive cruise control settings to the left with your audio volume just down below. Over on the right you have your track select, and just above you have your onboard computer controls. As you can see, this Golf R has done 36,193 miles. But coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Golf R, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.